Assalamu alaikum, welcome back, and as you know, this is Javed Iqbal and you are watching my channel Info Desk Javed, and hope so this channel will be beneficial for you, especially regarding the problems of maths. We are just following the previous step, and this is the third phase of the probability. In the first phase we discussed about the range of answers of the probability. In second phase we discuss about the probability regarding the cards, and now this is last basically but not the least, because according to the D2 levels this might be the last, mean how we can find and give the probability of spinners. If I am given a spinners and that is being divided into different parts, I am given over here few values is A1, 0, A1. Suppose this is the spinner I am given. My very first question is, what is the sample size of the spinner? If you remember the first part of the video, we have been discussed the difference between sample size and sample space. Meaning over here, the sample size and sample space of the spinner. Sample size is how many parts for this spinner, or in simply you can say how many parts for this pizza, if you like that pizza. So how many parts this pizza we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sample size for this spinner is 5. That's mean you have 5 parts of pizza, 5 slices of pizza you can eat at your home. Then next is sample space. Sample space means all possible outcomes which we can have on a spinner. It would be 1, A, 1, 0, A. This is the sample space for the spinner. Now comes to the probability of spinners. Well, we can find the probability of spinner. What is the probability of A? Its probability of A would be how many times A we have? It's 1A, second A, we have 2 times A out of 5. So probability of A is 2 by 5. Probability of 0, it's simply we just need to find probability of 0. It would be only once we have 0, so this is 1 by 5. This is how we can give the probability of a single spinner. But instead of this one, if you are not given a single spinner, instead of a single spinner, you are given a compound events of a probability. Mean instead of one spinner, you are given 2 spinners, or you are given 1 spinner and a coin. What would you do then? I am going to take a spinner 1 and a spinner 2. We have 2 spinners over here, and both the spinners, on both these spinners we have few numbers or few names over here. Suppose on this one we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. On this spinners we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now this is the compound event, and how can I find the total number of possible outcomes I can have from here? For this one I will get help from a table. This table will indicate me this side, the horizontal side will provide me, this is my S1, spinner 1, and this is spinner 2. So horizontal line will indicate spinner 1's outcome and the vertical will indicate spinner 2. What number we have on spinner 1? On spinner 1 we have 1, 2,